Good morning, class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. First of all, take out your English text copy, make separate portion for grammar work. Today we are doing story writing. First of all, make title page of the story, name the prisoner and the verse. Story. Once an innocent young man was sent to jail. He was released after a couple of years. He was passing through a bazaar one day. He saw many birds shut up in small cages. In a certain shop, he thought about the days of his own imprisonment. He said to the shopkeeper, "What will you charge for all these birds?" He looked at his strange customer in great surprise, but he told him what he would like to have. The young man paid him the desired price and set all the birds free. His joy knew no bounds when he saw them flying in the air. After writing this story, you have to do this work in your English text copy grammar portion. Turn the page. We are doing letter writing. Why we write letter? We write letter to show how much care and how much we love our friends and relatives. First of all, write letter. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the presents sent on your birthday. Examination hall, Karachi. Date today is 1st September 2020. You are writing date when you are doing this work. My dear uncle, when you will do this work, write that date in your copy. My dear uncle, many thanks for your kind wishes on my 14th birthday and the welcome present. The wristwatch is very beautiful to look at. It will always remain me of your great love and affection for me. It keeps correct time. It regulates my life. It will be of a great use to my during the examination days. Thanking you for your valuable present. Once again, yours affectionately. You can write your name in last. After this, turn the page. Now we are doing application writing. Application topic is write an application to the headmaster or headmistress of your school requesting him how to grant you 15 days leave to attend the marriage ceremony of your sister, friend, cousin in Hyderabad or to perform Umrah. You are writing the same topic is there. I am giving you the topic is you want 2 days leave or 15 days leave for marriage ceremony, for perform Umrah. Anything you can write. You can write this application. You can tell that your sister's marriage, your friend marriage or your cousin's marriage. Now start writing. To the headmistress. In the place of ABC school, you have to write your school name, Zahir Public School, Karachi. Respected madam, most respectfully I beg to say that I have to attend the marriage ceremony of my sister, friend, cousin in Hyderabad or to perform Umrah. Please grant me leave for 2 days or 15 days from dash to dash means May 2016 to May 2016. You can write May 2000 1st May till 15 May. So 15 days leave if you want. If you want 2 days leave, so you are writing 1st May till 2nd May. I shall always remain thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. You can write your name and also write date. Today's date is 1st September. You write the date when you will do this work, and the same topic you can write 2 or 3 applications. The question is same but some changing. You can write an application to the headmaster or headmistress school requesting him to grant you 15 days leave to perform Umrah. The question is this, or the question is also write an application to the headmaster or headmistress of your school requesting him to grant you 15 days leave to attend your sister marriage or to attend your friend marriage or to attend your cousin's marriage. So in one application you learn how you write 2 or 3 applications. Understand? Thank you.